Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today look at the weather. As you can see, the sky is blue and it's nice and sunny today here in England, in London. So I decided what not a better day to do my car, clean my car, as I haven't done my car, haven't cleaned in a while actually, like a good few weeks, probably 2-3 months. That's probably one of the longest time I haven't cleaned my car. So let me just show you first of all the stuff I have. So as you can see here, I'm not short of equipment. I've got everything here, so even clay bars, wax, polish, and this is just some of the stuff. I've got way more stuff. Of course we're not going to be using all of my car, but anyways I decided let's go clean my car and let's make it spanking clean. So before we start, as you can see here, I've got a pressure washer. The only problem is the cable is a bit short. My car's over here, so hopefully it's going to do the job. So let me just show you first how dirty the car is. Look at this. The car is pretty much filthy. As the sun is out, it doesn't look that bad, but we'll see the total finish after it's been cleaned. Look how dirty the car is. So let's start rinsing the car and start with a wash. This was step one. First of all, disclaimer, I'm not a professional detailer, I just do things my way. And if I'm wrong, correct me please in the comments. So first, just a quick wash, just with plain water. Next step, one of my favorite parts, snow foam. Leave it on there for 2-3 minutes, make sure it doesn't dry up, let it do its work, and then we'll wash it off and go to step 3. Only small problem I have, not a big problem though, that the cable for the pressure washer, as you may have seen, is a bit short, so it's hard for me to go completely around the car, but we'll figure it out. So yeah, let's get ready to wash this off. Change the bits. Okay, so the snow foam is ready to get washed off, so let's start rinsing it. Number 2 done. Next step, wheel cleaner. So I'm gonna spray the wheels, scrub them with this little brush here, and then wash the wheels, and then we can move over with the sponge around the car and that stage. So let's spray the wheels. Start scrubbing. So because it's quite hot today, I'm gonna do one alloy at a time. So wash it like this with the sponge and chemical, and then wash it off with water and go on to the next one, because I don't want this stuff to dry up on the alloy. And then we'll do, of course, a final wash on all the alloys once we're done, you know, get out all the main dirt, all the black and grime and brake dust. So yeah, so let's wash this off. So the wheels are done for the first round, and look at this, guys. I don't know if you'll see it on camera, but this tire here is a little bit like more brownish for some reason, and I think it comes from the chemical that they use to clean the wheels. Some of these acids they actually make the tire this color. It's actually not from the products I use, because the ones I use, I've been using them for a long time and I never had this issue. You can see I just used it here. This one looks perfectly fine, but It must have been from the last car wash I've done. Since then, the chemicals have just slightly, not by a big difference, but a very small difference, slightly changed the color of the tire. Just the outer rim, not the obviously inside. I don't know if you'll catch it on camera, but here's just a little something I realized. And that's one of the reasons why I try and avoid cheap car washes. Besides all the swirl marks, I just don't know how you'll see it, but as now the sun is shining, and look how many swirls. All these swirls come from cheap car washes, which I try as much as I can to avoid them, but sometimes the car is dirty and it needs a clean, and I don't have the time to do it, which I know it's a big mistake, but sometimes it just has to be done that way. But anyways, I'm thinking maybe to detail my car properly with a machine whole way around, so we'll see what happens. Anyways, let's finish off this wash. Let's move on to the next step, which is the sponge and bucket challenge. So let's hit it. So my car wash bucket is here and my sponge. Now I know some of you are not going to like me for this, for not doing the 2 bucket solution, but as my car is swirled anyways, I mean, I know it sounds silly, but because I've got so many swirls, I just feel it's not pointless. Well, maybe I'll keep it as it is and not make it worse, but as I'm thinking to detail it anyway soon, and I just figured out, let me just do it like this quickly and hopefully it'll be good. So don't hate me for that, don't be upset. I still look after my car. So yeah, so that's my sponge. Not the best sponge as well. Better off using a you know, the other ones like I done on the wheels, you know, that kind of, what is it called, a Schmidt or something, I don't know the name, but anyways, this is what I have for now. So we're gonna start from the top of the car, the roof, bonnet, and work our way to the sides afterwards.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Issue here, because the car is very hot from the sun, which I know it's not the best idea to do, wash your car in the hot weather like this, but because it's starting to dry up, I'm gonna quickly rinse off the top parts where I just done with a sponge, so the roof, bonnet, and then move around. clay bar, and with a bit of this spray. It's like waterless wash and wax, but obviously I don't do waterless wash, but it's just to use it together with this, go around the car and try and get off as much as tar, you know, and dirt as possible. And then we'll give it another rinse of water, and then of course we'll dry up the car with microfiber cloth, and then we can head on to the next step.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Chucky Beat.
Have a look at the finish. Looks pretty good. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and after trying to edit all the footage from yesterday, you know, the wash video, for some reason I noticed like the last quarter of the clips that I've done for some reason haven't saved on my SD card. Why, I don't know. So yeah, so I lost quite a bit of the footage, but here's the end result. It's a day later, I'm already doing it, so it's not as spanking as yesterday, but it's still pretty clean. And yeah, and I finished off by just polishing the car, not with the machine, just with a microfiber cloth, fast wax, just wax the car so it gives it a nice shine, as you see on the After Effects. And yeah, so sorry about that. That's just a technical fault. I mean, what can I really say? One of those things that happen. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Let's get this channel, let's hit 2,000 subscribers soon. We're not far away, so let's do that, and hopefully we can bring better content for all of us, and you know, enjoy you know, better videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. As I said, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Chucky Beat.